With all these chaos going around, we decided to do a mini getaway. And we ended up here, in the Cascades. What better way to end a journey than with a 2-day camping trip? And here's how it went. Setting up the tent. How you feel? Great?
Bro, I hella forgot my camera.
What's up, bro? We out here camping?
Gang gang.
Yeah.
She tripping, bro.
And I'm like having a hard time.
He's gay, bro. Nobody. He's just confused about his identity.
Here.
And then everything on the camera, thank God.
Just want to let you guys know that it's a good spot to come through.
Really?
But according to my philosopher, Master Yo, he said that this is probably one of the worst places.
B-boy fearless.
not Roeun.
Making them cocktails.
What's up? What's up?
I knew it all.
Ay, puta.
Oh, wait, we going hiking tomorrow, yo? Yeah.
I'm down.
Like a little hike tomorrow.
So, if you look, there's water, there's trees. Tony, I wish you were here.
You didn't take his picture, Jimmy?
Last day of camping.
No, like Jimmy. Last time he's like, hey, you got 5 minutes.
Gosh,
What are you talking about?
you're gonna
The fire's
burn my
over here,
corn.
the corn's over there.
Oh, this is the way.
The fire's over here, the
Burn
corn's
my
over there.
corn.